Right, off to go and get our guests for today on the walk. Let's go. So today's video, we are going for a little walk up to the top of Warren Hills, Green Hill Road. We are then onto the monastery. We'll have a look around the monastery and then walk past Whitwick Quarry, I believe, and on his way back up. And that'll be today's video. It should be about 5.5 miles, I believe. But I'll say I'll clock it anyway on a hiker. And we'll see how we get on. Should be fun. There's Frankie. It's not that windy, so I'll probably get the drone out.
Yeah. I've never seen one of them before, like flying through that.
I think that's great, isn't it? It's great. We should get a better view so it's a bit cooler.
Yeah.
I gated up, got my boots on and everything,
Yeah.
and it was dry.
Alright.
So I was like, oh my god.
Was that when it's on that, the walk?
Yeah, on the Bradgate and
Yeah.
Priory and all that.
I want to come to that as well because
Ooh. So up at Warren Hills.
however, they're big scary.
Yeah, they're so big and got no brains. Yeah, that looks like a path.
That'd be fine. If you see any grass takes, I'm running.
Look at that. Yo. Yeah, it's good to have a nice steady walk. I have to slow myself down. I do. $119, I think it is.
That's good though.
Yeah. You need 1,000 subscribers to hit the algorithm.
Yeah.
But then you need to get, like I said earlier, the watch hours to be monetised.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to work on that at the minute. So that's why I'm posting a bit more again. Because the more you post, the more you sort of get noticed, I think.
Do you get that gold YouTube?
I haven't got one of them yet. I think that's, I don't know if that's 50,000 or 100,000. I'd like one.
Well, that'd be brilliant.
I would like one. What if I could buy one off eBay?
Oh, yeah, this is a real one.
Is that cheating?
Nah, it'll be fine, mate. It'll be fine.
I think this gate's seen better days. Jesus. Jesus. I think they need to fix that. Yeah, so we've just got to walk on the road here, which is a bit dodgy, but we'll wait for them. They do fly up here.
They did, it come back on the street, don't they?
Yeah.
Dave, or
Yeah, Dave.
Cat.
Yeah, Cap, that's it.
Yeah.
Does all the photography, doesn't he?
Yeah, I like his photos.
Yeah, he's good, he is. Another squirrel. My next door neighbour's house, they've had squirrels in the roof.
Really?
Got pictures of them sticking their head out.
Oh. I bet they like a cane as well.
Yeah, I think they've just got rid of them. I'm not sure. Yes, this is all the refectory grounds here.
Oh yeah.
I think it's the wall. Oh, it's sludgy down here. You know what I said about being sludgy?
Jinx does that, mate.
I lied.
That'll be fine.
What's this? Hit the edge.
Yeah.
Do about an extra 5 miles doing this.
Cool.
Cows, didn't they?
Yeah.
We've got sheep now. Whew. You can smell them. You can smell the sheep. Oh, I can stay up here for hours. I can.
People dancing, doesn't it?
Yeah, he does, yeah.
There's always one.
There's always one.
There's always one going for a party.
Would it be worse if it was Manchester United?
Yeah.
Cool. I think autumn's definitely here. Yeah, I'd love to do it. I live like a pilgrim for a week or two.
That'd be a good day.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be like no TV or...
Yeah, just walking and sleeping.
Yeah. That'd be good.
Yeah. The water tank is overflowing. And there's a drought, they say. Maybe.
Yeah.
Just quickly. Makes you want to go to the bloody loo.
Pardon?
That water makes you want to go to the loo.
I'm having to camp out here and that all night.
You'll be up and down all night.
Honestly, I think they're doing that.
Yeah, I've watched that.
That was a good film, that one.
Very lucky to have something like this on his doorstep.
Yeah.
Very, very lucky. I don't want to touch that in case it's electric.
That's why they're good to hit.
I don't know how muddy the fields are going to be.
That'll be fine.
That's what I like to hear.
I swear it said an explosion down there. I swear it said an explosion from down there.
Oh really? It might have been the quarry. Very nice. That one's got some springage on it. See if it closes. No. Failure. I don't know if it'll close. It's a bit high in it. Yeah. It'll be alright. Be alright. White was still smoking. So what we'll do, we'll go up to the quarry, and then we'll sort of make us way back around this side of the monastery.
Oh, I know what you mean. They're around the house here.
Yeah, that's where we'll end up.
Yeah.
A nice circular, in a way, in a fashion. Oh, fire burner. We're just coming up to Whittick Quarry. So if you can hear it, but they're banging away, quarrying away. Blackbrook Beauty.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing how big this is.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It's pretty huge.
Yeah. You know, going the right way then when you see other people.
Yeah. Oh, you just take it back to the money.
Ooh. Oh, that moved. Ah, sheep.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh. Spike it. I've been through here when it's been really overgrown and this kills you, just sticks in you. It's not too bad today. I think someone's been down with a hedge trimmer.
I've got a good memory.
I know.
Thought we might try. That's why I didn't need one, so like, oh.
Oh, how do you remember me?